this video, we will walk you through the PixElement desktop packages available, designed to bring advanced aerial photogrammetry tools directly to your desktop. After years of working with industry professionals, PixElement Desktop offers two main packages, the Basic and the Advanced package. Let's look into what these offer. Each package is tailored to meet different professional needs, whether you are handling straightforward projects or working on complex datasets. First, let's take a look at the Basic package, priced at $3,500. This package provides all the essential tools you need to process your imagery datasets efficiently. With the Basic package, you can process imagery datasets to generate accurate 3D models and maps, configure reference points to ensure precision in your outputs, preview your output products so you're confident in your data before finalizing, and export high-quality deliverables from the Overview tab, including dense point clouds, digital elevation models, surface models, orthomosaics, and processing reports. You will receive a 1 year of maintenance, giving you access to all software updates, a $350 value. For those who need additional features and advanced capabilities, we offer the Advanced package. The Advanced package is available for $5,500 and includes everything in the Basic package, along with some powerful extras for more complex projects. This package allows you to process imagery datasets alone or LiDAR plus imagery datasets, providing expanded options for detailed analysis and modeling, and access to the Canvas, our integrated workspace for data visualization, analysis, and export. In the Canvas, you are provided the tools to draft line work, which can then be exported and imported into CAD software for further development, generate contours, measure volumes, and compare timelines for accurate project planning and tracking. The Advanced package also includes 1 year of maintenance, valued at $550. So to recap, the Basic package covers all the essentials for photogrammetry and data processing, giving you access to process your data and export deliverables, while the Advanced package takes it a step further, allowing for LiDAR processing and access to the Canvas tab for more in-depth annotations, analytical, and drafting capabilities. Both packages come with a one-time purchase cost. There is no subscription, and you will not automatically be charged any annual fees. You can visit our website to start a free 14-day trial, whether that be on the cloud version or standalone version, or to purchase your PixElement desktop license. Thanks for tuning in, and happy mapping.